Kyung Soo Jin as Song Shi Ho. Kyung Soo Jin was born on December 5, 1987. She is a South Korean actress. Kyung Soo Jin is relatively a newcomer in the South Korean film industry and is best known for her performances in television series like Man from the Equator, That Winter the Wind Blows, and Shark. She debuted as a lead actress with the television drama TV novel Yoon Hae. All her performances till date have been received well by the audience, and hence the experts have predicted a bright future for her in the industry. Apart from television, Kyung has done a few feature films and has taken part in various reality shows. In her short career span, Kyung has already bagged a few awards, and most of them have been won under the Best Debutante category. She enrolled herself in an event organizing and modeling agency, Star Horse Entertainment. She was groomed and trained under the in-house academy and eventually became part of some modeling and advertising campaigns. Once she was done with her training, Kyung started off her career as a model, but soon got her break as an actor in a television series. She was featured in the music video for the track Like a Man from the album Eye to Eye. The album was released in 2011. The same year, she featured in 2 more music videos for Right Now from the album Soul Star and Flowing Tears sung by Jung Yoo. The very next year, she was offered a role in an upcoming television series. Man from the Equator, a family drama, aired its first episode on March 21, 2012 on channel KBS. Kyung made her full-fledged acting debut with this television drama in which she played the younger version of the female protagonist. The series was later aired internationally as it managed to enter the households of Philippines and Japan. Kyung appeared in a minor role as a princess in Puri television series The King's Doctor. Its first episode aired on October 1, 2012. Kyung once again appeared in a cameo role in this romantic drama series That Winter the Wind Blows. She played the wife of the male protagonist who dies in a road accident, leaving his pregnant wife in a sticky situation. The series aired its first episode on February 13, 2013. After supporting roles in Man from the Equator, That Winter the Wind Blows, and Shark, she played her first leading role in TV novel Yoon Hae. She then played the second female lead in sports drama Weightlifting Fairy Kim Bok-ju and starred in the romantic fantasy drama Meloholic. Kyung appeared in a cameo role in this horror film Morning Grave, released in 2014. Horror Stories 3 is the 3rd installment of the horror series with the same name. Kyung was part of the cast for the segment Road Rage. The film was released in 2016. In November 2018, Kyung signed with YG Entertainment. Kyung bagged her first award under the category Best Debutante of the Year for her performance in the series TV novel Yoon Hae in 27th KBS Drama Awards 2013. She also won an award for Don't Look Back, The Legend of Orpheus. Kyung once again won the Best New Actress Award for the series Plus 9 Boys in 22nd Korea Culture and Entertainment Awards 2014.